Hello, I'm Robert Grande. Great cooking can be quick and simple if you have the right ingredients on hand. My favorite on-hand ingredient is California figs. Fresh California figs, when they're in season, are absolutely fabulous. But dried California figs are a delicious ingredient you'll want to have in your pantry all year round. I keep mine next to my salt and pepper, so when I want to create a little magic, I know they're always there. Here's the sauce with a little magic, great for a simple roasted chicken or even a grand holiday turkey. First I'll start with a little bit of melted butter, then we'll add a touch of garlic to that, and some nice minced shallots. And then of course the magical fig. This is going to give us that sort of meaty richness and a touch of sweetness to the sauce. And if you'd like, you can add all sorts of stuff that'll make it taste even more exotic. A touch of ginger. I like to put just a little bit of chopped cilantro in it, a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper. Then just stir it till they just very lightly caramelize. Then a touch of cider vinegar, which is going to give us a great sweet and sour effect, and to draw out all those flavors. And then to finish it, we're going to add a little fresh cream. Just let it come to a simmer, and that sauce is going to have all the magic in the world. All we need to do now is just ladle it over the chicken. Wonderful, tangy, sweet and sour sauce with all that delicious fig flavor. And a little flourish of figs. That's how you can create some magic if you have the right ingredients on hand. So the next time you're at the market, be sure you pick up some dried California figs for your pantry, because figs can make a simple dish delicious. And when you think delicious, think figs. And when you think figs, think California.